Okay, we're out here at 837 South Cowley. We're going to go down and take a look at Unit 102. Coming in, you drop just down half a flight. So this is a garden level, except it walks out right onto the deck. So walking in, if you come to your right, we have your laundry. So this is really nice because this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. We have an in-unit washer and dryer. To the side of that, we have your bathroom. Full bath with tub shower combo, full tile. And both of your bedrooms. So your primary bedroom is to the right. The second bedroom is here. We come and take a look. These are nice size rooms. You can put a queen size or a full bed in here. It's your closet, ceiling fan, overhead light, which is really nice. And then your primary bedroom is right here. Look at the views out the windows. Lots of natural light, but also lots of foliage, which provides shade, cooling, as well as some privacy. I do want to point out that this unit comes fully furnished. If interested, it's currently used as short-term rental. And all furnishings are available. And that is taken into account in the pricing structure. So you've got a nice walk-in closet. The bedrooms are carpeted, and all of the flooring has been replaced here. We've got new LVP flooring. We come this way, we've got a broom closet, coat closet, as well as your water heater. So nice storage. And coming forward, we've got an electric fireplace, produces heat. You've got a nice patio, I'll show you. Dining room. And this is the living room. And again, everything you see is included in this unit. So it is move-in ready. Excellent investment property. Let's take a look out here real quick. This unit's really nice because it's got its own nice sized back deck. Can hang out. You got seating. You've got an umbrella for shade you can open up. But look at the beautiful foliage that helps protect, gives you privacy, and it provides shade. You've got a formal eat-in dining room. Nice size. You've got a wall air conditioning unit, baseboard heat throughout. We've got a little desk over here. Nice natural light in every room. And this is the kitchen. Look how cute this is. Coming in, you've got a full-size refrigerator freezer unit here. You got a built-in range oven, or I'm sorry, it's actually a freestanding range oven. You've got the full-size microwave. You've got a nice window in your kitchen. Double sinks. Dishwasher. Look at the cabinetry. So you've got nice tall cabinets. And again, everything is fully stocked. Anything that you could need, and it is all inclusive. Would love to have a new owner. It just lays out super cute. Very livable space, very usable space. I love that the living area is separated from the bedrooms and bathrooms so that there's privacy between the two. All right, again, this is 837 West Cowley, and this is unit number 102. So it's right off the parking. You have one covered parking space included. Please give me a call, send me a text message if you have any questions.